Welcome back to a new episode of Apartment Renovation by Casamona. In this episode, we will show you the entire renovation process from scratch of a beautiful industrial-style apartment, which is located in front of the Barcelona harbour. One thing you should know is that our apartment is located in a housing complex built by the government in the 60s, with the main objective of housing the majority of the harbour's workers. But why did Casamona choose this apartment, and what makes this building so special? This apartment boasts an excellent location on the harbour, and furthermore it is in front of Barceloneta beach. Another interesting and important fact is that the building is divided into 4 blocks, A, B, C and D, and Block A takes all the limelight. It is the best located with elevator access and even with larger dimensions due to the fact that Block A was built for managers and important workers. Join us on this journey and watch the progress of this project step by step from start to finish. As you can see, this interior is extremely deteriorated. It has everything in there you would need to live. Kitchen, bathroom, 2 bedrooms, but it's incredibly old. Casamona saw this apartment and viewed it in a different way. It has a really beautiful view of the harbour, an amazing neighbourhood right in front of the beach. The building itself is good and it has a lot of potential, so we just need to bring that out. This apartment would be amazing if it was fully opened up and bright. With our renovation, it will be an amazing exterior apartment with a wonderful view. One of the first things that needs to be done is taking out some of the walls so that we maximise the space. Casamona made essential changes, creating new light entrances and windows with the main purpose of turning this apartment into a bright and cosy place for future owners. This is a short video of how it looks now. If you want to see how it will look when it is finished, stay tuned to Casamona and follow closely the progress of this project until the end. For more information about renovations and future projects, you can contact us at these numbers.